beautiful beauties, welcome back to another video. Sometime last year I was contacted to do a review for you guys and it's on some jewelry. You guys have read the title, you guys know. So I'm about to review some jewelry for you guys, hence the reason why I'm not wearing anything in this video. So these pieces today are from a jewelry company called Baaba's Jewels, and I'm going to have all the information about the company down below in the description bar. And this is just a video dedicated to review some of the items that I chose from the website, and I'm going to share that with you guys today. So it's also going to be a bit of an unboxing, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how the products were shipped and all of that, just so you guys have an idea. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. So this is I don't know, this part of the envelope was kind of hanging off some material off, so that's just how it came in this envelope like this. And I'm going to take the items out the box. So I have got 3 items. I got a bracelet set, a necklace, and a pair of earrings. So this is how it comes. It has the Baaba's Jewels logo on the box, and there are 2 boxes. So the smaller box contains the bracelet set. I'm gonna have the names of the items on the screen for you guys to see, and this is how the bracelet set looks. One piece comes with a pendant on it, a little just a pendant. So this is the all-seeing bracelet set. It just comes with one. They're both beaded, and there's this one with the all-seeing eye pendant on it. And I love this set. It's very chic, but you can definitely dress it up. Originally I had planned to do a lookbook for you guys with these items, but I don't have anybody to film the lookbook for me, so I just thought I would just come and do a show and tell / unboxing type of video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it nonetheless. But I really wanted you guys to take in the design of the items, so I'm gonna also show you guys like a close-up of the items that I got. So this is the all-seeing eye bracelet set, and that is what was in the smaller box. In the bigger box is, oh guys, I got a card, and it says, "Hi NaturallyMsToya, thank you so much for collaborating with me. I hope that you'll enjoy these pieces. I'm giving you and your subscribers a 15% coupon code, which is Toya." Okay guys, your coupon code is Toya, and that is going to give you 15% off of your order if you use it on her website. Okay, so thank you, Julie. And it says #inspired by Baaba. Alright, so that's that, guys. I'm gonna have the coupon code down below again if you guys missed it. And these are the earrings. Let me just get the exact name of these hoops. Alright, these hoops are called the Rio gold filled hoops, and they just look like this, and they have a gem on them right here. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but I'm gonna insert the close-up. So let me just put them in right quick. And I love me some hoops, guys, so I'm excited. I always find it so hard to put earrings in without a mirror. Alright, one down. Alright. Yay, I got them in. Alright, these are the Rio gold filled hoops. And finally is this necklace, and it is called the Walata necklace. Alright, it has beads, all different kinds of beads, red, gold, and green, right down my alley, guys. You guys see me with my locks in. And then it has the chain on one part. So I'm guessing this right here can be worn with like different types of outfits. Some of the cotton from the inside of the box got stuck to my necklace, so I'm trying to take it off, guys. But this is how the necklace looks. Let me just put it on. Alright, almost got it. All my girls with long nails know the struggle. But yeah, this is the Walata necklace. I can't even see it because I don't have a mirror, guys. But I love these pieces because they're very unique. And here's another card, Julian. Okay, Julian Paul is the owner and designer, and this is just a business card for the company. I actually got 2 of them, and I also got in the package this cloth to clean my jewelry with, so this is gonna come in handy. And yeah guys, that's it. I'm really, I don't know, I like the pieces because they're from a small company and I love supporting other people, and I want you guys to check them out guys. I'm going to have the coupon code down below in the description for you guys to get your 15% off. And of the 3 things that I got, this is my favorite and I'm probably going to be rocking this every day. This is the all-seeing eye bracelet set, and of course you already know you can wear it as a pair or you can wear it single. So this is definitely not going to be like a really long video. I just wanted to share these pieces with you guys, and I want you guys to tell me what you think about the pieces down below in the description. Yeah, this part here is my favorite part of the necklace with the red, green and gold stones right here. So yeah, that's it guys. Those are my pieces that I got from Baaba's Jewels. Check her out. The info is going to be down below in the description bar for all her social media sites, websites, and everything about the jewelry is going to be down there as well. Yeah, and this is just jewelry with like meaning behind it guys, so I want you guys to go ahead and check her out. Yes, I hope you guys like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Check out Baaba's Jewels. Her information will be down below, as well as your coupon codes to get 15% off the website. Anything that you order, 15% off once you use the code Toya. Okay, hope you guys liked this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, you don't know, for those, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.